Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are doing well. I am your teacher Miss Safa and I am here to teach you about 3D shapes. So let us learn together and then match the shapes with their object.
Let's learn about 3D shapes. So kids, what are 3D shapes? 3D shapes are three-dimensional shapes. They are solid shapes. They are not flat like the 2D shapes, but they are blown up shapes. They have thickness. There are different 3D shapes. Let's learn some of them. Let us start with the sphere. Sphere is perfectly round. It has no sides and no corners. It has one curved face that goes all the way around. And as you can see kids, it is a blown up shape and it has thickness. There are spheres all around us. For example, a football is the shape of a sphere. Our planet Earth where we live is also the shape of a sphere. And an orange fruit that we eat is also a good example of a sphere. Our next shape is a cone. A cone has circle as the bottom and it all goes up to one point called a vertex. Children, here are a few examples for a cone. A party hat, as you can see, it has a circle in the bottom and it all comes up to a point called a vertex. And the best example is an ice cream cone, which we all love to eat. And a traffic cone is also a good example for a 3D cone shape. And our next 3D shape is a cylinder. A cylinder has got a circle on the top, a circle on the bottom and is smooth all around. Example we have got is a can. Here you can see it has a circle on the top, a circle on the bottom and is smooth all around. In the same way, we can take candle and battery as an example for cylinder 3D shapes. This shape is a cube. A cube has 6 sides or faces that are all squares. Here you can see 2 dice in the shape of a cube. Then we can find an ice cube which has 6 sides or faces and they are all squares. And we have got 4 Rubik cube and all of them have got the same cube shape. And lastly we have is a cuboid shape. A cuboid has 6 sides or faces that are all rectangles. Here we have a carton box with 6 sides or faces. They are all rectangles. We also have a tissue box in the shape of a cuboid, and a fish tank is also a good example for a cuboid. So, children, let's recall by matching all the objects with the following 3D shapes. So, what is the shape of the football here? Yes, a football is the shape of a sphere. What about an ice cream cone? An ice cream cone is in the shape of a 3D cone. And next is an ice cube. What shape does it belong to? Yes, it belongs to a cube 3D shape. Next we have is a candle. Candle belongs to a cylinder 3D shape. And we can take this tissue box as an example for a cuboid 3D shape. So kids, with all these examples, I hope you're able to identify all these basic 3D shapes. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe